3, 2, 1. Hi friends! Today I'm going to stick a needle in my arm. I'm Katie from Katie Eats. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am so excited about what is in this box. But first, 30 seconds of backstory. For those of you who know me or who have been watching my videos, you know that I went gluten-free and dairy-free about a decade ago. I also started following the low FODMAP diet. More info on that here. The other thing I try and stay constantly conscious of is my sugar intake. There are 3 reasons for this. Number 1, sugar is bad. Number 2, I have struggled with candida and yeast overgrowth for a while. And number 3, I have PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. All of this is to say why I personally am very excited about what is in this box. Maybe none of that applies to you, but there are a bunch of other reasons why you might want to look into this. I'll list some of those reasons in the description below, but for now, guys, I am so excited. This is a CGM, a continual glucose monitor. CGMs have a sensor and transmitter, mine will be in my arm, and a receiver, which will be on my phone. This system gives continual glucose, sugar monitoring and tracks trends over 24 hours, even while I'm sleeping. Okay, that's enough jibber jabber. Let's open up this box and see what's inside and get the system attached. I've heard it doesn't hurt, but honestly, I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. I went with the Nutrisense brand. This is the 14-day trial period. I think this is really cute. It says, get ready to know you better. And honestly, like I said, that's exactly why I'm doing this in the first place. Inside, we have the little alcohol wipes to clean the injection. We have the applicator and the sensor. We have these 2 pads that can go over the sensor if you want, just if you feel like it needs to be a little more protected. And lastly, we have the instructions here. Before I even received the package, I downloaded the app, and the app walks you through everything. It also introduces you to your dietitian so that you guys can get acquainted and get started. We have the bag with the sensor applicator. Do here is pull back the lid. There we go. It looks like that. And twist off the lid of the applicator, which looks like this. Inside, you can see kind of where you might want to line it up. They give really easy instructions on how to do this online, so there really is no it's not hard to do. Then I believe you just pop it together, easy peasy, and then pull it out of the canister. And sorry if you're scared of needles, but I now just read they want you to clean the area before you take the cap off, because if you set the needle down, it might shoot out. So I'm gonna be very careful, set it down, take the alcohol wipe, quick. I'm gonna go like right here. I think that's the fattest area. Let it dry. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna go like right here. Try and relax my arm. Deep breath, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. That really didn't hurt at all. Okay, take it off. There's that. And there it is. It's just a tiny little circle, like the size of a quarter. Lastly, if you wanted to put the little patch on, you can. It's totally fine to get wet. You can go swimming, obviously go in the shower. Put my little sticker on there. It really doesn't hurt. I can't even tell that it's in there. It feels fine. Now all I have to do is get my phone, which is recording, match it up to the sensor. They kind of like Bluetooth each other in essence. It's probably not the right term. That way the data can start getting transmitted. So I'm gonna do that and I will get back to you guys later and let you know how it's going. Well, all I really had to do was kind of hold my phone up to my arm like this, and it read the sensor and then it activated it. This video is not sponsored by Nutrisense. I got this guy on my own because I wanted to start tracking my data. So that is all, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give it a like, a little thumbs up, and I will keep you posted on how this thing is going in the next couple of weeks and if I think it's worth buying. Bye!